What's up, guys? We are back here, man. Next day, man, trying to get this thing going and out the way, dog. We are on our way up to Harley right now. We got to get a few parts. I think my boy Dre is already up there. He already got the fender wire for us, and then those bushings that we needed. I actually want to see if they got some of these black turn signals for the front. I really want those black turn signals, so I'm hoping they got those in stock. So let's go up here and see if they got what we looking for, man. I pull up, this nigga already walking out with everything. So what we get, man?
I know it's the right one. They got.
Oh yeah, yeah, no, that's definitely the right one for sure. So that one got the rubber piece. This is the piece for the fender right here. What else you get? Got the bushings for the side covers, and then what you get? Oh, that's for your bike. Bang. Feel me? Gotta come get some parts. What's up, man? How you doing? Hi, how you doing? You know what's going on, man? Alrighty, so the homie ended up already getting a cord for us, so I did get some pig spit to clean our motors up, man. I hear this is the best stuff to use, or one of the best things to use. So we're on our way back to the shop right now, and then after we put our fender on and stuff like that, we're gonna go put everything else on, and then go to Antonio's to pick up the fender, man. So let's get this thing going, dog. Oh man, next day pulling up, and oh my god, it's even looking better than yesterday, because now I'm actually seeing the little details and the accents, man. Yesterday was just too much to just tie in. Now that I seen that, I can come back and look and see what we got going on, man. So today it's time to get the rest of it assembled. I'm about to bust that fender down. We actually got the cord over there earlier from Harley. Antonio can't find it, so I might have to deduct a little bit from your cut, Antonio. But about to get that fender on, get these side panels on, and pretty much just clean it up. We're about to go pick up this front piece and the fender spacers from Copart Pros and get this thing all mounted up today. So me and my dog will be out today, man. Man, what's up, man? You ready to go up, man? What's the deal? Man, I can't wait. This is literally nothing like that I see that's really going to be holding us back. But you never know, man. Life happens and, you know, shit goes on. So then we got my boy bike over here. Already done started the leg warmers and everything. Y'all know, y'all see he got the speakers in that joint. About to be slappy dapping. And you feel me? About to go crazy, man. I can't wait till we pull these things out, dude. Oh my god. With that being said, man, let's get into our day and get these things tidied up, man. Quick intermission. I had to come to Hog Parts to get these fender spacers so I could fit that wraparound on there for that 21. After here, we got to go to Antonio, scoop the fender, probably drop that off so we can have time to go grab these screws that we need, because these aftermarket parts are never lining up like they should be, man. So let's get this stuff done and go for it, dog. I just pulled up. It's all Copart Pros, man. Let's get this stuff and get on it. The fact that I just paid like $60 for literally 4 of these, got raped. And you guys want me to like freaking support all type of stuff. $60 for 4 of these. I'm about to start making my own little parts if that's the case. That's ridiculous, bro. Man, we got a hater back there, y'all. Literally pull me over for no freaking reason. Really, bro? Roll all the windows down. For what? That's crazy. Don't get caught being black in a Raptor on Crenshaw.
Hey, what other documentation do you have for the vehicle?
Oh my god.
I can't read this writing on here, so I ran it multiple times.
Here you go, brother.
Oh,
perfect. Can't read the writing. That was his excuse for trying to tow my vehicle. I know how these guys work. See, if this was like anywhere else but like LA, I'd be like kind of worried right now. But it's the sheriff's, man. I'm in a nice car coming down Crenshaw. I mean, what do you expect? I'm in a brand new freaking Raptor, lifted up, all murdered out, young black dude in a Raptor sliding down Crenshaw with a hat on.
All right, here's our documentation. Okay, I asked you for registration. The reason why I pulled you over, obviously, because you have no front, no back plates. I looked in the window up front first, if you had any little dealer sticker, which you didn't.
Well,
Okay.
to be honest with you, I had a sticker in the window, but I got pulled over recently and
Okay.
it was too dark. That's why I took it
I
out.
didn't know that, sir.
I understand,
So,
but I mean,
I can't see this. Usually what people do, they'll try to make a copy
Yeah,
of it, stick it in the back.
I understand.
Right?
Yeah.
I've been nothing but respectful for you.
yeah,
You
I
know?
don't have no issues with you. It's
man.
just a matter of like, bro, you didn't have nothing else to do, bro. Like, just tell me my
Actually,
truck is really nice, and you was staring at me hard before you even pulled me over.
Check your back.
Like, let's be
and
realistic,
I check
bro.
your front and I check your mirror. Okay?
Come
you have
on,
a
bro.
great day, sir.
Hey, you too, brother. Be safe out there. Fuck out of here, wasting my fucking time. You did all that for what? Fuck was the purpose of that? Fucking weird ass nigga. Nigga did all that. Nigga did all that to fucking not give me a ticket. What was the purpose of that, bro? Like, that's sheriffs in LA, like, for sure, like, legit sheriffs. Niggas ain't got nothing better to do, bro. Now, to get a screw like this, but smaller and skinnier. Okay, let's look through these screws, man. I'll get back to y'all in a hot sec. Tony, yo, what's up, man? Ooh, my God. Damn, looks good. Looks good. Did you ever find the other piece? No? You did?
Oh, no.
No?
The cable.
No, no cable? It's like $40.
Because all the time when take the part,
Yeah.
put it right.
Sheesh Louise, man. We tried to get it in today, but guys, look at the bike. Oh my God. This thing is literally a couple bolts from like being done. If we had literally an hour left, we will be able to get this thing done, but all good, no worries, man. Gotta go to the crib anyway for a day and come back, and Monday we can get on this thing, man. So this thing is looking nice though. I'm digging it. Oh my God. Yeah, bro, this came together. I ain't gonna even hold you. I love this shit. This thing is hard, y'all. And fuck. Oh my goodness, you guys see it. It's literally a couple of bolts. But Monday, we will come back and tackle this thing. This thing is looking lovely. We got the interference on, everything, that little inner panel, all that. Gas tank, everything is literally on this joint. So, matter of time, man. Matter of time. I'm so excited. What y'all think about it so far, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. Man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Bro ended up mounted his wheel and everything on his. Wheel, fender, everything is good to go. Man, I wish we can get cracking today, but it's all good, man. Come top of the week, man, we will be in here live in full effect. We will have this thing freaking jumping like Jordan, dog. Jumping like Jordan, man. So possibly maybe a wrap for today's video, but we did get a lot done. The homie went hard and everything. I'm digging it though, man. What are y'all thinking? What are y'all thinking? Oh my God. Man, it's time to get out of here. About to load this bike back up. Didn't get no bites this weekend, but we live to slide another day, man. So let's load it up real quick. Just like that. Got this thing loaded up again. But no bites as of yet. So man, we just gonna head back towards the crib. If we get anything before then, hey, we'll be in luck. But don't think it's gonna happen this go around. So Let's head back to the crib now, shall we, man? So alrighty guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. It's the next morning here, man. We didn't get a chance to get rid of the Road Glide, but that just leaves us more time to actually do what we said we were gonna do. We're gonna be putting that wheel on here this week. The blue bike should be coming home in the next couple of days. I already hit eBay and ordered a lot of parts for it. Not a lot of parts, but pretty much everything I needed. I needed the side, them black side markers, because at Harley they're like, I want to say 200 bucks. Found those on eBay for like 100 bucks, saved me some money there. Those fender spacers actually from Hog Parts, got to take those back because I ordered some on eBay, the right ones, not just anything that they just gave you, just trying to make some money. Man, the blue bike is coming back. It's coming together really nicely. I can't wait. We got everything pretty much ready to go. So man, I'm about to do some stuff around the crib today and then slide back to the city as quick as I can, man. So with that being said, I have to catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.